how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher could not establish connection. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, open up your computer search for Rockstar Games Launcher, right click, open file location. Now you want to right click on it again, show more options, properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. Once you do this, if it doesn't work, we can proceed to the second method, which is going to be searching for documents. Opening up the documents, and here, if you see a Rockstar Games folder or Social Club folder, you just want to right click and delete it. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the last method, which is going to be searching for virus and threat protection. Right here, we are going to click on manage settings, virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Now you will scroll all the way down, exclusions, add or remove exclusions. Click on yes. Now we will select add an exclusion, folder, go to your C drive, program files, or wherever you installed Rockstar Games. Find Rockstar Games, select it, and then click on select folder. And the last thing that we can do is to turn off real-time protection as well, but only for the time being. And once the Rockstar Launcher loads and you are able to play, make sure you turn this back on. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.